Hi friends, in this video I would be showing TATA Smartle Saucepan 1.85 liter. This is pure steel. Here you can see the dimension and MRP of the product. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.